like to talk to you about the third annual Weaverspace Conference, a premium online conference for web designers and the RapidWeaver community. I'm really excited about it. Now, this conference is 100% virtual. That means you get to attend from your home, office, or wherever you find it comfortable. We have an amazing hallway track at this conference where we have lunchtime and post-day hangouts so that you can interact and converse with fellow attendees and speakers from the conference.
What do we get with the conference, Dad?
Now, you're going to get a yearly pass to all the Weaverspace conferences. That includes the 3-day conference coming up here in September, as well as 2 one-day mini conferences scheduled for the winter and in the summer 2019. Now, we record every single session, so you're gonna have access to all of this year's sessions, as well as all of the sessions from previous years with your yearly pass to watch at your leisure. Now, we have a great speaker lineup this year. We have a great mix of developers, fellow RapidWeaver users, as well as industry titans from outside of our community that are gonna help us stay on top of the latest trends and strategies. We're gonna learn such things as brand strategy, Facebook marketing, handling subscriptions, as well as thinking outside of the box with the existing products that you already own. Make sure to check out the list of some of the other amazing sessions on our website. Now, there is an overarching theme to this entire conference, and that's all about helping you build and grow a successful web design business.
So when's it gonna be, Dad?
Now, because the conference is streamed live, the dates and times are going to vary depending on where you are in the world. September 7th through September 9th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure that you head over to the schedule section on our website to see the full list of accurate dates and times for your time zone.